Hello students, in previous video we have started exercise of lesson number 10 and we have already discussed A and B part. Now today let us start with C part, that is tick the correct option. So first is water present under the surface of earth is called. So water जो अर्थ के सरफेस के नीचे प्रेजेंट होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? टैप वाटर. टैप वाटर इज जो वाटर टैप से आता है. सेकंड इज ग्राउंड वाटर. थर्ड इज लेक एंड डी इज रेन वाटर. सो ग्राउंड वाटर इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन बिकॉज टैप वाटर तो नलके से आता है, टैप से आता है. लेक इज नॉट अ ग्राउंड वाटर एंड रेन वाटर आपको पता ही है, बारिश का पानी. Now, one of the main rivers of South India is. So we have learned many rivers of North India and South India. So out of these, we have to find out which one is the main river of South India. Ganga, Chenab, Kaveri, and Beas. So Ganga, Chenab, and Beas are the rivers of North India. Kaveri is the main river of South India. So this is the correct option. Next is on the southern side, India is surrounded by. So we have learned that on the west side it is surrounded by Arabian Sea, on east side it is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, and on the south side it is surrounded by Indian Ocean. So options are Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Pacific Ocean, or Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is the correct option. Now, next is a river flows into a. So we have also done this in Phillips, that river flows into a sea, lake, pond, or well. So it flows into a sea or an ocean. So this is the correct option. And the last one, fifth part, a river gets water mainly from. So river को water कहाँ से मिलता है? Lakes and ponds? No. Canals and oceans? No. Rain and snow? Yes. Rain and snow से rivers को water मिलता है. And last is underground and wells. So no, the correct option is rain and snow. And now the D part, that is answer the following questions in brief. So let us discuss the question answers of this lesson. So D part, answer the following questions in brief. Now the first question is, name two main natural sources of water. So we have learned in this lesson that the two main natural sources of water are rain and snow. So write down the answer. The two main natural sources of water are rain and snow. So we have to write in brief. So we will write only rain and snow. Or you can write the complete sentence. Rain and snow are the two main natural sources of water. आप वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, और you can write only rain and snow. Next is question number 2. Name any three inland water bodies. इनलैंड वाटर बॉडीज मीन्स ऐसी वाटर बॉडीज जो लैंड के अंदर है, लैंड पे है, लैंड के ऊपर है, राइट. सो वी हैव टू राइट एनी 3 इनलैंड वाटर बॉडीज. सो लैंड के ऊपर कौन कौन सी वाटर बॉडीज है? दैट इज रिवर्स, lakes and ponds, right? So these are the 3 inland water bodies. Now next question number 3. Write one use of water in canals. So we have to write only one use of water in canals. So canals का जो water है उसको हम कैसे use करते हैं? So water in canals is used for irrigating the fields. जो fields हैं उनको irrigate करने के लिए हम कैनाल के water को use करते हैं. So write down the answer. Water in canals is used for irrigating the fields. Irrigating the fields. So हम उन fields को irrigate करने के लिए कैनाल के water को use करते हैं. Next is question number 4. Name 2 main rivers of North India. Name 2 main rivers of North India. So हमें नॉर्थ इंडिया की 2 मेन रिवर्स के नेम लिखने हैं. So name of many rivers are given in your book. You can write any 2 name of any 2 rivers, right? So I am writing here Ganga and Yamuna. You can write any 2 rivers. It is not necessary that you have to write these 2 rivers only. आप कोई भी 2 rivers के नेम लिख सकते हैं जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में है. So I am writing here Ganga and Yamuna are the 2 rivers. इसको आप ओनली नेम भी लिख सकते हैं और पूरा सेंटेंस भी लिख सकते हैं. गंगा एंड यमुना are the 2 rivers of North India. Right? And the last question is question number 5. State 2 methods of drawing groundwater. So what is groundwater? The water which is present under the surface of earth, right? We have just discussed in multiple choice question that the water which is present under the surface of earth is called groundwater. So how can we draw that groundwater? So you have to state any 2 methods. So try to find out the answer of this question and also the answers of E part. जो E part के questions 5 questions हैं उनके भी answers को find करेंगे और इसका भी answer आप find करेंगे. In next video we will discuss those questions. Thank you.